It's seems pretty big. I mean, I could easily see, you know, 3 people fitting in here with a little bit of gear room. So, this is me. Oh. Okay, my head has about a little over a foot extra room, as do my feet. My sleeping bag is about my exact size, so this should be fine. None of us are all that big, so this seems pretty good so far. So if I'm here, I give about a hand's width of spacing to the next person. Puts whoever about here. And then one more person, again about another hand's width away, over here. So, I don't know how much you can see of that, but with that spacing, with about just over a wide hand's width of spacing, we have about 3.5 feet, maybe on this side, about 3 feet. So that's plenty of room for bags, so that's pretty good. Oh. Or we could just expand a little more too. Oh, so as of right now, we have obviously no rain fly on. It's pretty nifty here. See the dog poking through there. But yeah, it's pretty nice, light and airy. Feels fine in here. Not a whole lot to really comment on there, but it feels good. It feels good. Looking back at this. Hi, Anders. All right, so all set up with the rainfly as well, looking pretty snazzy. Hi, Andy. Got an extension cord here. My GoPro, whoop. GoPro isn't exactly done charging. Should be able to make it around. Pretty slick. There's that. Let's go in. Pop one of these out. So let's see. So got a decent amount of room right here, so we could technically put some stuff outside. I'm gonna bring along a tarp
which I'm not sure if it'll cover the whole bottom of this, but I'll make sure I find one that does. But yeah, this is only one side of that rainfly, so we should be able to put some stuff out here. Let's hop on inside. Okay, here we are on the inside. Hi again, Indy. So, yeah, not a whole lot different. I mean, obviously a bit darker, but life's good. They actually gave us some little bits to clamp up here so that we can kind of have a gear, what do they call it, a gear loft. So we can put, like, you know, shirts and stuff up here that's drying or anything else we want. But yeah, no, looking pretty cool. No signs of any damage. This thing looks pretty awesome. I think it'll work out great.